Welcome to our journey into the diverse world of African house design. In this video, we will explore the unique features of both traditional and contemporary African homes, celebrating the rich cultural heritage and innovative architecture. We begin with the traditional African mud hut, a symbol of community and resilience. With its circular shape and thatched roof, this home harmonizes with the surrounding landscape. Vibrant artwork on the walls tells stories of culture and identity, connecting the inhabitants to their roots.